You know what? I just want to highlight one thing. Para, P-A-R-A. Mark Sebastian. Do you remember covering this yesterday? Where'd Mark go? Mark,
I'm right here. Yeah.
do you remember covering Para yesterday?
Yes, I do.
What did we say
I
about
remember
Para yesterday,
I
Mark?
said buy the 20.5, 23 call spread for about 70 cents.
So would
And
you
you said
say
it's
that
going
we
to 20,
were
and you said it's going up.
would you say that we were bullish on Para?
I would say we were bullish on Para, looking for about a 10% move higher.
And where is Para today, Mark? If you can just take a
Para,
look at my chart or
Para,
your chart.
from where we started talking yesterday, it's currently up over about 8%.
Oh, baby. That is what Charts by Request is all about. So, yes, that was an awesome chart feature. Shout out to Kansas Dan for giving us Para and getting into a nice little trade to the upside, making some moolah on that. Now, Spiffy is looking at McDonald's, which also is looking bullish in a sea of red today that we're seeing, right? Markets down a little bit. We have MCD McDonald's. This one is opening right above this significant volume node. So we're going to be looking at 276 to the upside in McDonald's. We have a nice new area of support. Tastier than the McRib. Lucky Boy is saying Microsoft to 300. Lucky Boy, could it happen? Yes. Volume profile is not giving me that confirmation yet, though. We need to see a lot more volume building in this consolidation, which can happen. And this is not happening right now. Volume has ticked over, and we need to see a nice node build here. Other than that, this can fall face pretty quickly. So, Mark, we loved your trade in Para. That was awesome. Do you see anything in McDonald's to the upside or any big money flow to confirm if Microsoft will get that volume build to go to the upside?
No, and I think you heard me in the last segment mention that I'm bearish some of these names because
Ooh.
Microsoft is a risk-off trade right now. Now we've seen some pretty insane movement in the AI sector, so that could be a differentiator here. But if we're going to see the banking crisis, quasi-banking crisis, come to a head and things calm down, I think Microsoft is going to at least retest some of its recent lows. Or recent levels. But as this thing pulls back, where's our target?
In Microsoft.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, in Microsoft.
So, okay.
Not
So
not
the
not.
first breakout was 272. Breaking this area of resistance, you're going to revert back to the value area breakout, which is 255.
Okay. Well, let's
Okay.
go. Let's play with that one and buy some the 265 255 put spread. We're gonna pay a $1.70 for that, and in April. So April 21, 265, 255 put spread. We're gonna pay about a $1.70 for it. Looking for a move back below 260. Take some off when it gets to 350. You like the move, huh? You're dancing to it.
I mean, I'm at Shaw's rave right now. He started the party.
Mm-hmm.
And so yeah, the stock market is a party,
Yeah,
baby. And
AI can
Mark
do a lot of things, but AI can't down a vodka tonic and get busy on a dance floor.
Oh man, we're gonna get into AI in a little bit, Mark, because I have quite a discussion with you when we trade the opening bell. We got to get into that big money flow, baby, because the party is just getting started, and it's getting started with one of my favorite people in the world. Mark, what are you seeing in the big money flow space before I start blushing?
Yeah, so we're looking at Vodafone, VOT. I pulled this one out after you and I chatted yesterday. This was an interesting one because this trader put these on a while back. These were nicely in the money. They made a bunch of money on these. Took off some, but not all. Now what they've done is at a small, not a big loss, but not a big win. They had an opportunity to really have cleaned up in these. Um, they sold out of the April 11 calls, collecting 32 cents, rolled out to July. So they gave themselves 4 months, bought the 12 calls in VOD, 41,596 times. This is a close and roll of a trader that was right, but maybe didn't manage the position properly. So it's worth noting that they're kind of pressing this long, looking for some continued upside in VOD Vodafone. So basically, they're thinking this is going to go higher.
All right, I got excited because I first thought it was Veritone, not Vodafone. But Vodafone has been flowing. You've caught this before, haven't you?
Yeah, we did this in Inside Money Trader and
Yes.
cleaned up on it. We did this in Private Revolution a couple times, done well on this. This is one I'm going to be taking a hard look at. I need to see it move up before I do anything.